In this video, we'll be exploring 3 new ways to make $700 a day using Chat GPT that no one showed you before. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of AI and see how we can all make a little extra cash on the side. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button and notification bell, because you don't want to miss out on all the fun and easy ways to make money online in 2023. So, the first way to make money using ChatGPT is through the website namingforce.com. Namingforce is a website that pays you to come up with innovative and unique names for businesses, products, and other things. Clients come in and run contests with budgets ranging from $125 to $550 for the best name submitted. All you gotta do is submit your names, and if yours is chosen, you'll get a big fat payment. Can you imagine getting hundreds of dollars just for coming up with a single name? And check this out, if you go to the winners section, you'll see people making hundreds, even $500, just for submitting a single name. How cool is that? And guess what? I've got a secret weapon to help you, ChatGPT. Just ask ChatGPT to generate names for you, like, if you need a name for a woodworking shop, you could ask, can you give me 20 name suggestions for a woodworking shop business? But the name must have a domain available. Sure. Here are 20 name suggestions for your woodworking shop business. Woodcraftershq.com, thewoodsmiths.com, thewoodworkersden.com, and so on. Now just pick the best one and submit it to namingforce.com. You could potentially make hundreds of dollars with just one name. And the best part? You can do this for any business listed on the website and make hundreds of dollars a day with the help of ChatGPT. Now, the second way you can make money using ChatGPT is to sell different articles on listverse.com. Listverse.com is a super cool platform where people share their articles on all sorts of fascinating topics. Think of top 10 lists like 10 harsh realities of common jobs in the Old West and top 10 incredible smells. And if your article gets accepted, you can earn $100 bucks. How cool is that? So, to get started, all you gotta do is go to the More section on their website and click on Write and Get Paid. And yup, you heard it right, you could earn $100 for every single article you submit. Just make sure to follow their submission rules. To start writing, simply click on the submission form, and you will redirect to this page, where you have to fill in your personal details like your name, email, PayPal email, and so on. Then, give your article a catchy title, and write a little intro about what readers can expect from your article. Finally, paste the whole article and hit submit. Guess what? You don't have to be a professional writer to get in on the action on listverse.com. All you need is a little help from our friend ChatGPT. For example, ask ChatGPT to write an article on the top 10 best gangster movies. And bam, ChatGPT will give you a list of the best gangster movies. But wait, there's more. If you go to listverse.com, you'll see that someone has already published an article on this topic and made money from it. But this person not only listed the movies, they also wrote a little bit about each one. So, what can you do? Copy the movie names and ask ChatGPT to write about each movie in detail, like, what's in the movie and why anyone should watch it. Repeat this process for all the movies ChatGPT suggested. And boom, you've got yourself a complete article on the topic. All that's left to do is submit it to listverse.com and cross your fingers for that $100 payment. Remember, the sky's the limit when it comes to topics. As long as it's unique, interesting, and has 10 items, you're good to go. The third and final way that you can use ChatGPT to make money online is by writing different assignments on studypool.com. Students all over the world come to Studypool to get help with their homework and assignments, and that's where you come in. Just sign up using your Gmail, pick your favorite subjects like business, humanities, or programming, and wait for the magic to happen. When a student needs help, you jump in and chat with them to help complete their homework. And the best part? You get paid for each answer you give. It's like playing a game and getting paid for it. If you click on Become a Tutor, you can see that you can make up to $7,500 a month just by tutoring students from the comfort of your own home. That's right, you don't even have to leave your couch. So, let's say a student has an assignment about World War II. You can simply go back to ChatGPT, ask the AI bot to write a detailed assignment about the topic, and bam! In just a few seconds, the AI will write a full assignment for you. Just you need to copy each point and ask this AI to explain in detail. Then, you can deliver it to the student on Studypool and get paid $20 to $30 for every answer. And that's not all, you can even make money by selling your documents on StudyPool. Just upload your class notes or old homework, and if it's approved, you can earn up to $10 every time a student views it. Can you imagine earning up to $5,000 a month just by selling documents? Just think, one document on the StudyPool is already making $4,404, and the second one is making $3,360. Imagine how much you can make. So, what are you waiting for? Join studypool.com today and start making some money doing nothing. If you want to learn even more about how to make money with ChatGPT AI, be sure to check out the videos shown on the screen, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Bye!